So I needed to go outside and get some more firewood to bring in the house, but I'm now very thankful that last night I brought in enough for yesterday and today. So technically don't have to go out until tomorrow morning, which is nice. But oh my goodness, this is our blizzard today. It says 25 centimeters of snow. I don't know how much that is because I was raised on a border city, so I only know inches, but it sounds like a lot. So this is what it looks like today, and I hope you have much better weather than I do. But wow, I was not ready for winter just yet.